The scan shows a deviation here at C14.
That exceeds the micrometer tolerance. We need to isolate that component immediately.
The precise ratio of carbon filament to resin confirms the structural integrity and stiffness properties meet our demanding specifications.
Verification successful. Class A structural parts routed to monocoque, offcuts to accessories.
The smaller Class B components are moved into this dedicated preparation zone, where they are carefully organized into
The carbon fiber has fully transitioned from the tacky pre-preg state, now completely solid and self-supporting. The synchronized robotic arms apply the first base coat of deep metallic Blu Nethuns, transforming the chassis with a flawless, high-gloss finish.
Fluid line capped on bank 2.
Connector secure. Ready for mating.
Technicians utilize digitally calibrated torque wrenches to secure the engine mounts, ensuring the precise specification is met for the V12 power unit.
Torque set to specifications.
Confirmed. Lock washer engaged.
Process A, the car, is fully concluded and stored before Process B can commence.
Cycle B initiated. Check the pressure differential.
Holding steady at the lower limit. The resin flow is perfect.
Using specialized tools, the technician ensures the lining is perfectly smoothed into the contours, leaving no imperfections in the luxurious finish.
Process B consistency is confirmed. No deviation in the gloss finish.
Alignment is precise. Ready for sign-off.
Here at the Logistics Center, the carbon fiber luggage sets are prepared for dispatch to authorized retailers worldwide.
With the final adjustment of the straps, Process B is complete. The accessory is now ready for purchase.
Only 7.5 kilograms. The aerospace-grade material and rugged construction are very impressive.
Welcome to the hotel, sir. Allow me to take your bags.
Thank you.
Right this way.
The craftsmanship here is extraordinary. Look at how the dark gray interior maximizes space while protecting the contents.
Meticulously crafted, the secure latching mechanism offers complete peace of mind wherever your travels take you. The Ultimae's bespoke luggage set, crafted from the same lightweight carbon fiber, is designed to nest perfectly, ensuring practicality for ground transportation.
The deep three-dimensional weave highlights the meticulous craftsmanship. This symbolizes the successful transit. The Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae, equipped with a full set of carbon fiber luggage, proves its worth as a durable, luxurious